This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cami Alberts. Fabulous single-family home in very desirable, the Meadows a 55-plus community. Wide open floor plan with tons of living space includes Florida room, living/dining room, eat-in kitchen, split bedroom plan, oversized walk-in closet and primary bedroom and one-car garage. Neutral tile and loads of natural light throughout. Complete hurricane impact windows and doors for peace of mind. AC 2023. Maintained community with low HOA, offers pool, gym, shuffleboard, bocce, tennis, hot tub, library, game room, clubhouse and is situated overlooking a serene lake. Located close to world-class beaches, eateries, shopping and more. Association states no pets, no leasing and no commercial vehicles. For more information, review the details below.